Even though a lake can look pristine on the surface, deep down, a slow sickness can take hold. Decades of dead algae and debris decompose to become thick, soft muck, organic sediment that chokes the life from the water. There's a quiet solution called biodredging, where biology itself is used to consume this muck. But the process is silent, invisible. So, how do you know if it's really working? You have to learn how to see in the dark with sound. The key is a bathymetric survey. A boat glides across the water, not fishing for bass, but mapping the depths. A sonar unit sends a sharp pulse of sound down to the lake bottom and then listens for the echo. The time it takes for that sound to return gives a precise depth measurement. Now repeat that thousands of times over a meticulous grid, and a clear image of the lakebed begins to emerge. This data generates a bathymetric chart, a stunningly detailed, color-coded map of every contour, allowing scientists to calculate the total water volume. This first map is the crucial baseline, the before picture. Then we wait. Biodredging goes to work. Months or even years later, the boat returns to trace the same grid. The sonar sings its song again, and a second map is born. When you lay them side by side, the story of recovery becomes undeniable. Cross-section profiles show exactly where the sediment layer is shrinking. And as that organic muck disappears, the entire ecosystem breathes again. The lake becomes deeper, invasive weeds that thrived in the soft sediment lose their footing. The harmful nutrient recycling that fuels algae blooms slows down. Habitat conditions for fish and other life improve dramatically. Specialized software takes all this new depth data and quantifies the success, converting it into hard numbers, the total cubic yards of sediment that have been biologically removed. In the end, this process answers the three critical questions. Is the sediment decreasing? How fast is the reduction happening? And how is the lake's very shape and profile improving for the better? It's a technique that turns a slow, silent recovery into a clear, documented, and visible story of progress.